This Coredy R750 robot vacuum cleaner stands out in a competitive market with its advanced features, robust performance, and smart technology integration. As a versatile and efficient cleaning solution, the R750 offers significant value, making it a worthy contender for those looking to automate their home cleaning routine. In this detailed review, we will explore its key features, performance, and user experience to help you determine if it's the right fit for your home. The Coredy R750 boasts a sleek and super thin design, measuring just 2.77 inches in height. This low-profile build allows it to navigate under furniture and reach tight spots that traditional vacuums often miss. The vacuum's modern aesthetic, with a glossy black finish and a tempered glass top cover, not only looks stylish but also adds durability, protecting it from scratches and everyday wear and tear. Setting up the R750 is straightforward, thanks to the included user manual and intuitive app interface. The package comes with everything you need to get started: a water tank with a mop cloth, 2 side brushes, a HEPA filter, a remote control, a charging dock, an AC power adapter, and a cleaning tool. The initial charging time is around 4–5 hours, after which the robot vacuum is ready for its first cleaning session. One of the standout features of the R750 is its compatibility with Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant. This integration allows users to start and stop cleaning with simple voice commands, adding a layer of convenience for smart home enthusiasts. The Coredy app, available for both iOS and Android, further enhances control and customization. Through the app, users can monitor real-time cleaning status, check the condition of accessories, customize cleaning modes and mopping levels, schedule cleaning times, control the vacuum's direction, and locate the robot if it goes missing. The R750 is equipped with Boost-Intellect Technology, which automatically increases suction power when it detects carpeted surfaces. This feature is particularly useful for homes with mixed flooring, as the vacuum seamlessly transitions from hard floors to carpets without any manual adjustments. With a maximum suction power of 2200 Pa, the R750 effectively picks up dirt, dust, pet hair, and other debris, ensuring a thorough clean across different surfaces. The intelligent mopping system is another notable feature of the Coredy R750. The vacuum comes with an electronically controlled water pump that adjusts the water level based on the floor's dryness and humidity, preventing overwetting and ensuring optimal cleaning results. The water tank and mop cloth are easy to install, and the system works efficiently on hard floors, leaving them clean and streak-free. For added control over the cleaning area, the R750 is compatible with virtual boundary strips sold separately. The vacuum's upgraded sensors detect these boundary strips, allowing you to define specific areas where you want the vacuum to clean or avoid. This feature is particularly useful for protecting delicate areas, pet bowls, or rooms where you don't want the robot to enter. In terms of performance, the Coredy R750 impresses with its powerful suction and efficient navigation. The dual-side brushes and V-shaped rolling brush work together to sweep debris into the vacuum's path, while the HEPA filter traps fine dust and allergens, improving indoor air quality. The R750 navigates methodically, covering large areas with minimal overlap and ensuring no spots are missed. The vacuum operates relatively quietly, with noise levels around 60 dB in standard mode, making it suitable for use even when you're at home. The battery life is adequate, providing up to 120 minutes of cleaning on a single charge, which is sufficient for most medium to large-sized homes. When the battery is low, the R750 automatically returns to its charging dock to recharge. Maintaining the Coredy R750 is hassle-free. The dustbin and water tank are easy to empty and clean, and the side brushes, HEPA filter, and rolling brush can be replaced as needed to ensure optimal performance. The Coredy app provides notifications for maintenance tasks, such as when to clean or replace filters, and keeping the vacuum running smoothly. Coredy's customer support is accessible through the app, offering quick assistance for any issues or questions. The company also provides a comprehensive online support center, including fax, troubleshooting guides, and video tutorials. Pros and cons. Pros: voice and app controls, seamless integration with Alexa and Google Assistant, comprehensive app controls. Boost-Intellect Technology automatically adjusts suction power for different surfaces. Intelligent mopping system, efficient and controlled mopping for hard floors. Virtual boundary support, customizable cleaning areas with boundary strips. High suction power, 2200 pascals suction for effective cleaning. Quiet operation, low noise levels suitable for home use. Good battery life, up to 120 minutes of cleaning per charge. Cons: boundary strips sold separately, additional cost for virtual boundary functionality. Initial setup time requires time to set up the app and customize settings. Conclusion: the Coredy R750 robot vacuum cleaner offers an impressive combination of advanced features, powerful performance, and user-friendly controls. Its integration with voice assistants and a smart app makes it a convenient addition to any smart home setup, while the Boost-Intellect Technology and intelligent mopping system ensure a thorough cleaning on both hard floors and carpets. Despite the extra cost for boundary strips, the overall value and efficiency of the R750 make it a solid investment for anyone looking to automate their home cleaning routine. If you found this review helpful and informative, please consider liking our video and leaving a comment below with your thoughts or questions. Subscribe to our channel for more reviews.